everybody! I didn't think I could do it, but joy comes in the morning. Welcome back. I have a creative call today. I found a page called Beadaholique. I don't know if you know or not, but I love making jewelry. It's one of my all-time favorite things to do. They did a live jewelry making class, and I seen a piece I wanted to make and create for my husband. I ordered it and it came in no time. I kind of forgot that I ordered it. It got here about 4 days after the fact. I'm a busy mom. Yes, I forgot, but let's... Okay, so I ordered a pendant and I ordered a bracelet kit. And it's supposed to come with all the instructions, how to create it, and also a video that you can follow along on YouTube and create the piece. So this is how it comes, and I know it may take a lot of work and some time, but I know that it's surely worth it. This is going to be a gift that is hand created, and so it's going to have so much meaning behind it. I hope that he loves this gift. I hope that you all can check out that page if you have a craft or hobby. Hope that you pull it out, dust it off, get back into it. Okay, get back into it. Do what makes your heart smile, and that's what I'm going to do, especially at this time in my life.
This gift I wanted to make you.